Hey, it's BJ here, All Over Solutions. Question that we get asked a lot is, should we put our driveway in before we start construction, or should we do it after we get finished with the construction of our house or whatever the build is? Here's my opinion. We like to put the driveway in before we build. Why? Because if you don't, you could end up with an inaccessible job site. You could potentially delay the project for months because if it rains for a couple days and it's dirt, it can get really muddy. And so you might not be able to have concrete trucks or a lumber delivery or so on and so forth. So making it accessible with a good road base at minimum is gonna go a long way when you're doing a project. You wanna make it accessible so you don't delay any of the future trades trying to get to the build. The other thing is we don't make it the final driveway. We basically put a thinner layer on it before the project starts, because we know there's gonna be traffic on this driveway. It's gonna get a little torn up throughout the project. So we don't wanna do a final driveway, right? What we do is we put a thinner layer on it, and if we work with you, we'll talk more into the details of what that looks like, but we put a thinner layer on it, and then throughout the construction of the project, you have compaction on this driveway. So those heavy trucks, they're compacting in the road base. It makes it stronger and longer lasting. And then at the end of the project, then we put our final layer on it, make it nice and pretty and acceptable, and you're ready to move in. That's the way we do it. Have a good day.